What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Keith. Today we're going to look at the hot tub here and the E02 error message, and we're going to see how to fix it. So we've got ours turned off, but normally when you turn it on you'd have an E02 message and it'll be beeping. Now this is to do with the filter. So what you have to do is, the filter's this thing in the bottom, and we haven't used this for a while so the water's a bit cold, but you just unscrew the first bit, which is this bit here, so that comes off, and then you get access to the filter. So you can unscrew that off. As you can see there, we were getting the E02 error. That's because the filter was like that. So to fix it, all you have to do is either clean this up or to put a new filter in. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a new filter in, and that's basically it. That's how you solve the problem for the E02. So let me know in the comments if this helped you. If it did, great. Then, but yeah, till next time, see ya.